Hello students, in this video we will solve questions of equation of line. I have already explained the concept in my previous video. So here I am choosing questions from previous year papers. Okay, so first question is from ICSE specimen 2018. The question is, find the ratio in which the line joining -2, 5 and -5, -6 is divided by the line 2x plus y is equals to -4. Hence find the point of intersection. See, when we are reading the statement, what we have to do, we'll try to draw the figure as well in case the figure is not given. Okay, so whenever this thing is mentioned, line joining, and after this point line joining, some coordinates are given, so we will draw one line. So here I am drawing one line. Suppose the name of the line is AB. So I have drawn one line. So here it is mentioned line joining. So after joining word, you can see two coordinates are given. So that means we have to draw one line, and line's coordinates are this: -2, 5 and -5, -6. Now what they're telling, this line is divided by some other line. So I'll draw one line. This is how this line will get divided. So now you can see this line is divided into two parts by some other line, and this line's equation is given to us. So equation of line is already given. 2x plus y is equals to -4. This is the equation of the given line. Hence find the point of intersection. That means the point of intersection, this point we have to find. So let's name it as point C, whose coordinates are x, y. So if you are able to recall, I have discussed section formula in the previous video. There you can see a similar type of line which is divided by some point. It was there. Okay, so same thing you have to see, you have to relate and do the questions. So here also we have to find this one, this coordinate. So that means which formula we have to use? We have to use section formula. Okay, so we'll write section formula. So section formula for these coordinates, it's given to us: x is equals to x1 m2 plus x2 m1 upon m1 plus m2. Y is equals to y1 m2 plus y2 m1 upon m1 plus m2. Now if we see this one, easily we can make out that x1 y1 and x2 y2, these coordinates are given to us. But what about m1 and m2? So that means ratio is not given. So ratio is not given to us. Whenever ratio is not given, so what we will do? We will assume the ratio. We'll assume ratio m1 is to m2 into some other ratio. So the very easy way is that we can assume is as k1 is to k2. Okay, that means m1 is k now, m2 is 1. So anytime, maybe if in some other questions also, if ratio is not given, so always do one thing: assume the ratio as k1 is to k1. K1 is to 1. Oh sorry, k is to 1. So now what we will do, I have already written x and y. So I will just do the substitutions now so that we can get the value of x and y. So x is equals to x1, and make sure always write x1 y1 like this. You can see the way I have written. So these things if you do, there will be very less chances of doing any mistake. So x1's value is -2, m2's value is 1, plus x2's value is -5 into m1, m1's value is k, upon m1 plus m2 means k plus 1. So x is equals to, first of all, see here multiplication is also there and plus is also there. So it's very important you should follow BODMAS. BODMAS I am sure everyone knows. So in this order only you have to do the calculation. So that means multiplication we have to do first. So -2 into 1 is -2, plus as it is I'll be writing -5 into k is -5k. If you want, you can write this in bracket, k plus 1 as it is. Then x is equals to, whenever two signs are together, we can make it a single sign. -2 plus minus means minus, 5k upon k plus 1. So x value we have already found. Further we can't simplify it because we don't know the value of k. Now let's solve the value of y. Y is equals to this formula. Again we will be applying the given values. Y1's value, see I have written already y1 under 5, so that means y1 is 5. M2 is 1 plus y2 minus 6. M1's value is k upon M1 plus M2 means k plus 1. So y is equals to 5 into k, 5 into 1, 5 plus as it is minus 6 into k, minus 6k upon k plus 1. Y is equals to 5 plus minus minus. So two signs together we have to make it a single sign. Minus 6k upon k plus 1. Further this we can't simplify it. So what we have done till now, we have used section formula to find the value of this x and y in terms of k we have found. Now what you can see here, this x and y, this is the point of intersection of these two lines, like where these two lines are meeting each other, that is the point of intersection. These two lines are meeting at this point, and you can see this point is passing from this line also. So this line's equation is given to us. So what we will do in the given equation, we will substitute the value of x and y, because our x and y now they are in form of k. So if we substitute here the value of x and y, we will get the value of k. Okay, because why we are doing substitution? Because this point is passing from this line. So I'll write the equation once again. So the given equation is 2x plus y is equals to minus 4. 2 into x is we have found just now. So minus 2 minus 5k upon k plus 1 plus y. Y also we have found 5 minus 6k upon k plus 1 is equals to minus 4. Now we will do multiplication here, write 1 so that there won't be any confusion that this 2 has to be multiplied with only numerator. 2 into minus 2 minus 4, 2 into minus 5 minus 10, k also because k is there, only in denominator only k plus 1, 1 into k plus 1, 1, k plus 1 plus 5 minus 6k upon k plus 1 is equals to minus 4. Now here we can say we have simplified it. This is one fraction, this is one fraction, both the fractions they have same denominator. So instead of writing 2 times, we can write denominator one single time. So I'll write the numerator same now, minus 4 minus 10k plus 5 minus 6k. Now this denominator we will send to other side. So this k plus 1 here it is getting divided. If we shift it to other side, it will get multiplied by minus 4. So I'll just rewrite it. So equation was minus 4 minus 10k. Very carefully because so many plus minus signs are there. Minus 4 minus 10k plus 5, and after plus 5 we have minus 6k. So this side we have minus 4 into k plus 1, which I shifted from here to there. Now like terms this side we can solve. So minus 4 and 5 they are like, so minus 4 plus 5, so plus minus is minus, the sign which is with the greater number. So 5 minus 4 is 1 and plus 1 will come, and plus 1, because with 5 we have plus sign. Minus 10 and minus 6, minus minus plus with the minus sign, so 10 plus 6 is 16, so minus 16k. This we will multiply, so minus 4k minus 4, minus 4 into k minus 4k minus 4 into 1 minus 4. Now again like terms we will shift, so minus 16k. See k and k these are like terms, so I'll shift this minus 4k also to this side. So this minus 4k when I'm shifting to this side, it will become plus 4k. So here I am only left with now minus 4, that I'll write as it is, and from here plus 1 I am shifting now to this side. Plus 1 when I'm shifting to other side, it will change to minus 1. Now here we can see plus minus is minus, so 16 minus 4 is 12, but the sign which is with the greater number is negative sign, so minus 12k. Minus minus plus with a minus sign answer, so minus 5. Now k's value we have to find, so k is equals to, k we will find from here minus 5 by minus 12, because this 12 here it is getting multiplied, because we have to find the value of k, so k we will keep on this side and 12 we will shift to other side. It was getting multiplied, so when we are shifting it to other side it will get divided. So k's value I got 5 by 12. Why 5 by 12? Because this minus and minus signs will cancelled. Now see, this was not the question. What we had to find? We had to find point of intersection. Point of intersection is x comma y. We have already found the value, but the values were in terms of k. So you can see here value of x. I'll rewrite the value. X is minus 2 comma minus 5 upon k plus 1. Y's value also I'll rewrite 5 minus 6k upon k plus 1. See, we already found the value of x and y, but the values were in terms of k. Now separately we'll just substitute the value of k and simplify it. So 5 into minus 2 minus 5 into k. K's value is 5 by 12. So here in place of k, minus 2 minus 5 into k, in place of k I have written this thing, upon k is 5 by 12, because k plus 1 plus 1. Whenever you have a fraction, other numbers also write in terms of fraction. So 2 I wrote it as 2 by 1, and this 1 I wrote as 1 by 1. Now let's simplify it. Minus 2 by 1 minus, here also let's write it this way. So numerator with numerator will multiply. First of all we'll multiply this. So 5 into 5, 25 by 12. This 5 by 12 plus 1 by 1. So here one fraction I have, here one fraction I have. So we can take LCM and solve the fractions individually. So LCM of first fraction is 12. So this will multiply minus 2 into 12 minus this will multiply 25 into 1. See how to take LCM. If you don't know, just multiply the denominator. So 1 into 12 is 12. This is the upper fraction, and lower also same thing will do. How to find 12 into 1? 12. This 5 into 1. This plus as it is, and this 12 into 1. So this minus 24 minus 25 by 12. Okay, I'll do here. So after this I am solving. Minus 24 minus 25 upon 12 by 5 into 1 5 plus 12 into 1 12 upon 12. So two fractions. See, this is one fraction and this is one fraction, although they are getting divided. So two separately I am solving. Minus 24 and minus, see, when denominators are same we can cancel them. So this 12 and this 12 will get cancelled. So minus minus again plus. So when we add them, minus 24 and minus 25 is minus 49. Minus minus plus, the sign minus sign. 5 plus 12 is 17. So this is our value of x. So x is equals to minus 49 by 17. Same way now we will be solving the value of y. So y's value, what we calculated is 5 minus 6k upon k plus 1. So again I will just substitute the value of k. So 5 minus 6 into k. K's value was 5 by 12. Here also 5 by 12 plus 1. So again same thing we will do. Y is equals to, here write 1. So 5 by 1 minus 6 into 5 30. 30 by 12 upon 5 by 12 plus 1 by 1. So again individually we will solve the fractions. So their LCM multiplication 1 into 12 12, and this cross multiplication 5 into 12 minus this is 30 into 1. Now the lower fraction LCM is 12, this cross multiplication 5 into 1, this plus sign as it is, then 1 into 12, 5 into 12 60 minus 30 by 12 upon 5 into 1 5 plus 12 upon 12. Okay, so in previous step I just cancel directly. So here what I'll do, 60 minus 30 by 12 into, see this division we can change into multiplication, and lower fraction we can just write the reciprocal. That is why they will get cancelled. That is why they got cancelled in my previous step also. So the value of y I've got 60 minus 30 is 30 upon 17. So y is equals to 30 by 17. So our point of intersection xy is equals to minus 49 by 17 and 30 by 17.